Good morning, guys! I filmed this on day 5 of Cale and I's vacation to Washington after we drove 12 hours straight at midnight to get here. Well, the main reason we come is because we love Cale's parents so much. We also come for this stuff. Yep, those are raw, real, live clams straight from the beach off of Cale's parents' property. So we are going to show you how we harvest these guys today and cook them up because it's literally one of our favorite things to do and eat around here. But before we get into all of that, let me grab a cup of coffee and take in that amazing view. Cale's parents live on the Pacific coast on an inlet. These waters are not the open ocean, but the tides come in and out on a really shallow beach that stretches a long way out. This environment is perfect for clams and oysters. To go clamming, it's super simple. You just need a pair of waterproof boots, a garden trowel, a bucket, and you're ready to go. To find them, we look for these holes in the sand. Then we fill up our buckets with seawater and then start digging. This beach is full of butter clams, manila clams, and the occasional horse clam. Lucky for us, the clams are only a few inches from the surface, so it doesn't take much digging to find them. They're giant here. We keep the clams in seawater until we're ready to eat them. We also grabbed a few oysters to eat as well. When it's time to eat them, we give them a good clean with the hose to get all of that sand off of them. We then soak them in tap water for 40 minutes to an hour. This allows them to siphon out a little more grit or sand that they may be holding onto inside of them. To cook them, we steam them in garlic, shallots, butter, broth, and white wine. We didn't have any shallots for this batch, but it was still delicious. We like to have some pasta on the side to take full advantage of that amazing clam broth. Linguine is our favorite, but any type will do. We finish the clams off with fresh chives from Cale's mother's garden, tomatoes, and cream. And that is how we prepare fresh clams straight from the beach. I really hoped you liked this video, and thanks so much for watching until the end. Stay tuned for more videos every week of our adventures. Bye guys.